people, so welcome back to my channel. This is me Shreya Kumari and I hope you all are amazing. If you visit this channel first time, so do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Hello people, so I'm back with another job vacancy video. So this job is all about Associate Human Resources Shared Services HRSS in Accenture at Noida, Uttar Pradesh, India. Now let's talk about the job description. So skill required for this job is Human Resources Shared Services Strategic Talent Sourcing. Designation is Management Level Associate. Job location is Noida. Qualification required for this job is any graduation from any of the stream. Year of experience required for this job is 1 to 3 years of experience. So now we talk about what would you do in this job. So you will be aligned to their human resources vertical and will help them in function their details with people and people related areas such as recruiting, learning, training, onboarding, compensation and benefit, performance management, organization, development and culture. You will be part of the Human Resource Shared Services team that support lateral recruitment of Accenture operations entity and will be responsible for building the strategy towards fulfillment of demands and exercising thought leadership in improving the overall delivery efficiencies of HRSS services to its client. Working in the strategic talent sourcing space, you will be required to design framework, develop sourcing and outreach strategies, detail hiring campaign and employer positioning on social media to attract higher caliber candidates. You will also need to have talent market expertise and provide comprehensive views of industry trends, provide expertise in market insight, talents landscape and help with your understanding of talent need in a fast-paced, agile and competitive environment. Now let's talk about what are they looking for. So they are looking for individuals who have the following skill set like talent management, recruitment, adaptable and flexible, ability to perform under pressure, collaboration and interpersonal skills, ability to manage multiple stakeholders, ability to meet deadlines also. Now let's talk about the roles and responsibilities of this job. So in this role, you are required to solve routine problem. Your expected interaction are within your team and direct supervisor. You will be provided detail to a moderate level of instruction on daily work tasks and detailed instruction on new assignments. You will need to be well versed with basic statistics and terms evolved in day-to-day businesses. You will be required to help in overall team's workload by managing your deliverables and help them team when required. You will be an individual contributor as a part of a team with a predetermined focus scope of work. Please note, this role may require you to work in rotational shift. Here, rotational shift means 15 days in day and 15 days in night you have to work. If we talk about the seniority level of this job, so seniority level of this job is entry level. Industry is information technology and services, computer software, financial services. Employment type is full-time. Job function is human resources. So if you are interested in this job or if you are eligible for this job, so what you need to do is I will share the link in the description box. You can go through that link and apply for this job if you are interested and eligible too. Also, if you have any queries, so ask me in comment section. I will try to answer you all. Thank you. So this was all about today's video. I hope you will learn something from this video. If you like this video, so give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Also, do follow me on Instagram. Instagram link is in description box. You can go through that link and follow me. Thank you.